Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about how you can use Betterhelp. In order to do so, here we are at betterhelp.com. And what is Betterhelp all about? Well, it is a website that connects you with a licensed therapist so that you can get professional therapy online. According to their website, you deserve to be happy. You can find a certain type of therapy depending on what your needs are, either for yourself as an individual, for couples, or for a teen, for your child. You can join the world's largest therapy service 100% online. Up to 30,000, over 30,000 licensed therapists ready to help. 422 million messages, chat, audio, and video sessions, and up to 5 million people have been able to find help with BetterHelp already. Professional, licensed, and vetted therapists who you can trust. Tap into the world's largest network of licensed, accredited, and experienced therapists who can help you with a range of issues, including depression, anxiety, relationships, trauma, grief, and more. With our therapists, you get the same professionalism and quality you would expect from an in-office therapist, but with the ability to communicate when and how you want. And you can come here to get matched to a therapist. How it works, you get matched to the best therapist for you. Answer a few questions to find a licensed therapist who fits your needs and preferences. Tap into the largest online network of licensed providers. Communicate your way. Talk to your therapist however you feel comfortable. Text, chat, audio, or video. You can expect the same professionalism as an in-office therapist. It's therapy when you need it. You can message your therapist at any time from anywhere. You also get to schedule live sessions when it's convenient for you and connect from any mobile device or computer. Here you could see BetterHelp versus traditional in-office therapy. If you just look at the list here, we won't go too deep into it, but essentially you could just see here the different things that you can have access to with BetterHelp. And so if you are looking for therapy and maybe you're a little bit uncertain about going into an office and you just want to be able to connect with somebody anytime, anywhere, directly from your device, then take a look at BetterHelp. Come to betterhelp.com, click on Get Started, and when you do, you're going to just be asked a few questions. You can see we can specify what kind of therapy we're looking for and just go through the different questions in order to specify exactly what your situation is, and then you'll be matched up with a licensed therapist. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe, and don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you're interested in Cider AI, you can gain access to an AI extension that's built into your Chrome browser so that you can ask questions anytime and get the answers that you're looking for. Not only do you have access to Cider Fusion, but you also have access to ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, and DeepSeek. So you can ask the questions that you're looking for and get the answers that you want. And if you click on the link in the description, you can find out how to install Cider, and you would also be helping us out as well, and we would certainly appreciate it.